Thokozani, Tumilanko Fela Luna. Amen. I'm going to teach about witchcraft and how it's gaining glory and how people idolizes it. The best tool, Ubuthakathi, the best tool of fighting witchcraft. First of all, you need to discover your guiding angels, your guiding spirits. No one is walking alone. No one is walking alone. The reason why people feel they are bewitched, or yes, they are bewitched, because witchcraft is there, it's been there long before Christ. But we give it so much power. We give it so much worship to the extent that people are full of fear. Everyone is scared of witchcraft. When you get up in the morning, there's a dead bed or a dead chicken in front of your yard. You start to be scared and you start to be uncertain with the events of your life. So the most important tool, discover your guiding spirits. Everybody else has got their own spirits, they've got their own God, they've got their own angels protecting them. So why are you so scared of witchcraft? Why are you idolizing witchcraft so much? Those things don't affect people. But what affects people is when you do not discover your guiding spirits, wake them up, know who you are. And then when you wake your guiding spirits up, you get to know who you are. You get to trust yourself. You get to be powerful within yourself, because everyone else was born with powers within themselves. So what destroys those powers is whereby a person doesn't know who they are. People don't know their guiding spirits. People don't know their guiding angels. That is why I've got a spiritual healing school whereby you eliminate all the evil spirits. You get to know who you are. You clear your shadow work. Say after that, you get to know who is your guiding spirits. Then they're going to protect you against everything. If you are meant to be a healer, you're going to be a healer. If you are meant to be a prayer, a motivator, you're going to be that. This is what you expect from the school. Otherwise, lots of people went to Twasa, but Twasa into engekho, but Twasa into wrong, kuphela imali, kusale inyembezi. Our vote, nyabo.